Welcome. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to reset your password via email on the X app for PC, following the latest update. Whether you've forgotten your login details or just want a fresh start, this simple process will help you get back into your account in no time. First, open the X app on your computer. Once it's open, look toward the left-hand side of your screen and click on the More icon. This icon opens a drop-down menu with several options related to your account and general settings. Next, select Settings and Privacy. This section is where all your account preferences, login options, and security tools are managed. Inside this menu, click on your account. You'll see several choices here, but for this tutorial, focus on Change your password. Now, if you can't remember your current password, no worries, simply click on Forgot Password. The app will then prompt you to enter the email address tied to your X account. Make sure you type it carefully, then hit Next or Continue. At this point, head over to your email inbox. You'll receive a message from X containing a special verification code. Copy that code, go back to the password reset page on your PC, and paste it into the text field provided. When done, click Submit. Once your code is confirmed, you'll be prompted to create a new password. Choose something strong and unique. A mix of letters, numbers, and symbols is a smart choice. Re-enter it when asked to confirm, then save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully reset your password via email on the X app. Now you can log back in and get straight to tweeting, posting, or scrolling through your favorite content, knowing your account is secure once again. If you found this helpful, don't forget to check out more quick tutorials like this one to make the most of the latest X features.